Hi guys, welcome to Unit 8 Vocabulary Words. Remember, as you go through, if you need to pause and take your time, please do that. Okay, here we go. Your first word this week is ambivalent. Ambivalent is an adjective. When her ex-boyfriend asked to get back together, Miranda was ambivalent. On one hand, she still had feelings for him, but on the other, she hadn't forgiven him for hurting her. Ambivalent most nearly means A, taking a clear stance, decisive, or B, having mixed feelings, indecisive. Your next word is assent. Assent is a verb. Devin spent many weeks deciding which college to attend. After much thought, he assented with his parents and decided to attend school in California as they recommended. What are you more likely to assent to? Going to the college of your dreams? Or B, loaning someone $500? Your next word is conclusive. Conclusive is an adjective. Jane struggled to decide whether she should cancel her outdoor party. While she didn't always trust the weatherman, she was given conclusive evidence of the upcoming storm as lightning streaked across the sky. Which letter provides the correct definition of the word conclusive as it is used in the sentence above? Unknown, lacking, or C, sufficient? Your next word is concur. Concur is a verb. The entire student body concurred that Harry and Stephanie wore the ugliest prom outfits of the year. Not a single person complimented their odd fashion sense. If you concurred with your sibling that you should both put money towards a cruise for your parents, did you help pay for the vacation present? A, no, because the gift was too expensive, or B, yes, because you both split the cost. Your next word is condescend. Condescend is also a verb. I despise watching customers act condescending to waitresses and other customer service workers. No one should feel they are better than another person and treat that person poorly due to a job. An example of a condescending comment would be A, I love your new outfit, or B, that color shirt is terrible on you. I would look better in it. Your next word is corroborate. Corroborate is a verb. The police officer pulled over the girl for speeding in a residential area. The girl's mother corroborated the story by admitting that her daughter always drove too fast through the neighborhood. Corroborated means A, giving evidence in support, or B, giving evidence against. Your next word is deviate. Deviate is a verb. My aunt has planned out my cousin's life since his birth, what friends he should have, what college he should attend, and what job he should go into. However, he deviated from his mother's plan when he decided to take a gap year and travel the world for a year before attending college. A traveler who has deviated from their path, A, followed a map or GPS precisely, or B, takes a new route to a destination. Your next word is digress. This is also a verb. A weakness in my writing is that I often digress from my main thesis statement. I need to remember to focus on exactly what I am writing about and not go off on tangents. Digress most likely means A, to fully provide evidence in support of a thesis statement, or B, to stray from the main topic in writing or speaking, to turn aside. Your next word is discrepancy. Discrepancy is a noun. My friend group faced a great discrepancy when it came to which shore town we should rent a house in for the summer. Half my friends wanted to stay in Wildwood, while the others wanted to stay in Sea Isle. Which is an example of a discrepancy? A, getting the correct change after a purchase, or B, not getting the correct change after a purchase? Your next word is dissent. Dissent is a verb. Martin Luther King Jr. and other civil rights leaders dissented against racist policies that segregated Americans for so long. After much hard work and perseverance, they were eventually successful. A dissenting person would be likely to attend a protest rally. A, true, or B, false? Your next word is explicate. Explicate is a verb. In order to explicate the exact definitions of the vocabulary words, it would be a good idea to look them up in a dictionary before the weekly vocabulary quizzes. If you decided to get the math tutors to explicate the homework questions before a test, you most likely A. needed extra help understanding the lesson, or B. didn't need to study since math comes naturally to you. Your next word is extraneous. Extraneous is an adjective. My neighbor puts out so many Christmas lights and decorations that it doesn't even matter if an extraneous strand of lights doesn't work. He has so many lights that no one would ever be able to tell if one set wasn't working. If you felt extraneous to your friends, you feel they treated you A. with respect and affection, or B. with disregard and indifference. Your next word is feasible. Feasible is an adjective. Rob learned that it was entirely feasible for him to get straight A's in his classes. He just needed to study, complete all assignments, and stay for extra help when he needed it. A feasible team to reach the Super Bowl, A. lost most of their games through the season, or B. won almost every game they played. Your next word is hackneyed. Hackneyed is an adjective. I have often considered getting a tattoo. However, too many people get hackneyed designs. Instead of getting the same tattoo as everyone else, I would want something truly original. If something is considered hackneyed, it is A. original and new, or B. unoriginal and overused. Your next word is implausible. Implausible is an adjective. I would often mock my father for his devotion to the Eagles. I thought it would be implausible for them to reach a Super Bowl. I, however, was wrong. If you feel a research paper is implausible to write, the best solution would be to A. not turn anything in, or B. see your teacher for extra help. Your next word is misconstrue. Misconstrue is a verb. I absolutely love Mexican food, especially if it is hot and spicy. However, because I was rushing and not paying attention, I misconstrued the different sauces and took the mild one by mistake. I was so disappointed that my dinner was blander than I prefer. If you misconstrued your clothing while getting dressed, you A. wore one navy sock and one black sock, or B. looked fashionable and trendy. Your next word is nullify. Nullify is a verb. Alyssa hated eating spicy foods and often needed to drink milk to nullify the heat whenever her mother made buffalo chicken for dinner. The milk instantly cooled down her mouth and tongue. If a teacher nullifies your bad test grade, it A. hurts your overall GPA, or B. has no effect on your GPA. Your next word is reiterate. Since Nick did not understand his mother's directions, he asked her to reiterate what she wanted him to do. She happily repeated herself and told him to do his laundry before she came home from work. If you asked a person to reiterate what they said, you A. understood them precisely, or B. didn't understand or hear correctly. Your next word is renounce. Renounce is a verb. When Brittany saw how mean and condescending her friend Jamie was to the new kid in class, she decided to renounce their friendship. She just couldn't stay friends with such a bully. Renounce means A. to give up or abandon, or B. to enhance and strengthen. Your next word is wet. Wet is a verb. Thinking about warm days, clear skies, and a shining sun whets my desire for summer. I can't wait to go to the shore, barbecue, and swim in the pool. Why can't winter end sooner? Wet most nearly means A. to make something sharper or stronger, or B. to make something weaker.